Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Raj Meridian by Raj Group. This project is located in Andheri West. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. This is the sales office and now I'm going to show you the actual location and the neighborhood. So this is the actual land parcel and this is the location and the neighborhood. Left leads you Andheri station and right leads you metro station. In this teaser, we'll be discussing about the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts offers and many more. So before moving forward, let me introduce about the Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you the bottom rating price. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक सिंगल कॉल भी करते हैं तो आपका नंबर मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाता है और इससे आपको मल्टीपल कॉल्स आने लगते हैं. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here जो आपको डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स से कनेक्ट करता है क्योंकि Housey में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बल्कि बिल्डर्स खुद करते हैं. So book your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. The project is constructed on 0.45 acres of land parcel having 1 towers, ground plus 20 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. Coming to the location part, the project is located in Amboli Caesar Road, Andheri West, where Andheri station is 5 minutes, Western Express Highway 7 minutes and Azad Nagar metro station at just 3 to 4 minutes. Now come to the amenities part. The project has 20 plus luxurious amenities, swimming pool, gymnasium, jogging, kids play area, MP theatre and many more. Coming to the carpet area, the project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. The carpet area for 1 BHK is 385 to 415 square feet and 2 BHK is 575 to 600 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. Our project EOI window is open and clients are invited to our sites. Our sales team will help them in project details and will discuss the payment and pricing schemes. And after all of this, if the clients like the project, they can proceed to EOI. The amount for EOI, 1 BHK is 2 lakh and 2 BHK is 3 lakh. So everyone, this was the teaser of the Raj Meridian newly launched project located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.